Hey everyone, welcome to our first Valentine's Day nail art collaboration featuring me, Sarah from Sarah's Nail Secrets,
and me, Talia from Talia's Nail Tales. Our Christmas series was so much fun, we wanted to try another holiday as well.
We'll be spacing the series out a little different, so it'll last until Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So my Valentine's Day candy set is inspired by my husband's favorite Valentine's Day candy, which are these fuzzy peach hearts. So let's jump into it. So this set's going to be done in hard gel, so I'm going to be using Get Your Freak On. This is a really pretty orange color, and I'm going to be doing one side of this nail with the orange color, and then I'm going to be doing the other side with a yellow color. The yellow color I'm going to be using is called She's a Copper Catch. I thought that these matched my fuzzy peach hearts pretty well, so I just applied the first color down, and I'm coming in with She's a Copper Catch, and I didn't cure the orange color yet. So I'm just kind of blending the colors right in the center. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this. So that's been cured, and I'm coming in with Get Your Freak On again. And I'm just going to apply that over top of the first time I applied it, just to make it a little bit darker and to cover up any leftover color that was underneath. And then I'm coming in again with She's a Copper Catch, and I'm going to blend those colors in the center. So I actually decided to do that on her ring fingers and on her thumbs, but on the thumbs I did it kind of opposite. So the opposite side is the Get Your Freak On, and then the other side is the She's a Copper Catch. I wanted to do the other nails quite simple, so I'm just using this really pretty glitter called Sweet Nothings from Light Elegance. It's sort of a see-through iridescent pinky color that has kind of flakes that match the other colors in the nails, so I thought this would be a perfect choice to go with it. So the glitter I'm applying on top is from the nail team, and it sort of has those colors in it as well. So I just used my wet brush to pick up the pieces of that glitter. I'm just kind of pushing it into the wet product that's already down. So you're going to want to make sure to have no pieces sticking up on the sides or anything so that you don't file them out. And on her ring finger, I'm only applying the one color and not the glitter because I'm going to be drawing little hearts. And I am curing each nail before moving on to the next one. So again, here I'm just applying that Sweet Nothings on the pointer finger, and I'm just going to cover it with some glitter as well. After that's been cured, I'm just going to be drawing some hearts. So this will be encapsulated. So I'm just doing the one side of the heart to match the hearts that I'm using for inspiration. So I'm doing the one side with Get Your Freak On, and then I'm repeating the process, creating the heart on the other side with She's a Copper Catch. So I do cure each side before doing the next, just so it doesn't run or anything. And then you can blend them a little bit easier the next time you apply on top. So I'm just doing the one side. Now I'm coming in before curing and quickly adding some more of that to build it up a little bit on the other one. Curing that. Then she comes back and I'm building up that yellow and blending the colors a little bit in the center. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. That orange Get Your Freak On is cured, and now I'm doing the She's a Copper Catch on the one side. And then I will cure that and then build that up a little bit as well. After that, now we can encapsulate these nails. So I'm just using Light Elegance Cool Gel to build the nails up. So I start by applying a slip layer. So I'm just applying this over top of that pinky to start. Just going over the whole nail. Then I'm building up the nail using a bigger bead of clear gel, and I'm moving it from right to left to pull that clear gel down the nail and build up my nail, encapsulate everything, and create an apex. After building up all the nails, I did file off camera so this video wouldn't be too long. And now I'm coming in to apply some crystals. So I'm going to be using Kira Sky base, and I'm just plopping that on, and then I'm pushing in one of these big hearts, and I had to move it around until I got it in the right spot. And then I apply more of that Kira Sky base, and now I'm applying just some crystals. So I'm using some peachy colored crystals and some yellow colored crystals, trying to match a little bit to the colors that I added into the nail. So I usually get all my crystals from Crystal Princess, and I do have a discount code for you guys. It's Sarah10, so if you do order some crystals from them, you'll get a discount. For the fuzzy peach looking stuff, I'm applying some plain glitter into a lid here and some clear acrylic, and I'm just mixing them because that's what I'm going to use to do the fuzzy peach look. So I want it to be kind of matte and not really like super sparkly, just the right amount of sparkle. So you just want to play with that. So first I'm just going to apply one coat of top coat. I'm not going to cure that. And then I'm going to sprinkle my mix into that top coat. And it should look kind of like fuzzy peaches. You're going to want to keep sprinkling your mixture in till all your clear acrylic has kind of absorbed the gel. And then tap off the extra and give that a cure. To finish off the rest of the design, I top coated. So in this video, I'm using my Kira Sky No Wipe top coat. And you're just going to top coat the other nails that don't have the stuff on them. So I'm not going to top coat the sugar nails because I wanted them to look matte and like they have sugared candy on them. So when polishing nails with crystals on it, I've said it before, but make sure not to get your top coat on top of your crystals if they're genuine Swarovski crystal because you'll ruin the shine. So just do it right near them. You can kind of push the gel up into the side of them just so it really gets up under them. And give that a full cure, and here's the finished design. So I thought this was such a fun idea. I thought I would change it up, do something a little different. So I hope you guys liked my idea and that it made sense. Don't forget to check out what Talia did. Hers are these super cute candy heart kind of nails, and they say little things in them, and they've got like the crystals around them. So cute. So make sure you check out her channel to see how that was done. And we have one more video coming for you guys on actual Valentine's Day, so check back for that. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!